Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Trend Trader, with a quick update on Bitcoin. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These markets are extremely volatile, so please do your own research and trade responsibly. I just wanted to make a brief video as that divergence is continuing to build, and we're basically maxing out this wedge, and I think we're getting very close to either this break here to the upside to complete the fifth wave, or our capitulation break to the downside and continued sell-off. But I did notice something here that you don't see very often, um, and this is like a signature you see when you combine like multiple indicators together for a long time, and you'll occasionally see like they're, a lot of times they're agreeing with each other, sometimes they're disagreeing, but you almost never see like them completely opposite the way they are right now, where we're getting the sell signal at the top of the TJD Stokes slope, but then we're getting the green dot on the VPCI. Because typically what happens is as we sell off, you'll start to see like the green dots showing that like the trend is strengthening in that direction, and then you can begin to like look for exhaustion. So you'll see like a bunch of the green dots will start coming here, and then you'll see the green flash on the indicator. Here we're seeing the opposite. We're getting the red sell signal here, the distribution zone, but we're getting the green dot. And typically that happens. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's a situation like this, where it was basically a sell signal, try to flip it back over, and then we get like the massive dump down here, and then we get like the green buy zone all through here, and we continue to flash green all through there as we get like the sell off. So again, normally you would see like the red dots corresponding with the sell signal, but in this case we're seeing the green dots corresponding to the sell signal, and that's almost always like a fake out signature. So typically what you'll see is like if you're seeing like a stop hunt or an up thrust before a big dump, or if you're seeing like like a quick sell off and then like spring to the upside, or like a spring down and then shoot to the upside. Typically that's like the signature you're gonna get, because it's basically like a fake out signature. It shows that like the volume and the price action does not correspond, with your typical oscillators and moving averages. So we'll see what happens, but I think I have a feeling that we're getting ready to get that massive sell-off capitulation out of this pattern, as we have completed the majority of it. So, but I just want to do a quick update on that, and we can see how it plays out here over time. So there you have it, guys. Crypto Trend Trader, and I'm out of here.